Hi, I'm Carrie from VIVA Skin Clinics, and today we have Mandy, who's come to us wanting a non-surgical rhinoplasty. So with ageing, we get bone reabsorption and a descent of the soft tissues. And this leads to accentuation of the nasal tip and dorsal bump formations. So it's a really popular treatment and a 15-minute alternative to surgery without any downtime. So stay tuned for the before and after shots.
So this is my first time actually getting any sort of dermal fillers done. I'm feeling quite excited about the results and hopefully be able to see a small noticeable difference in my side profile. I've got a little bump there and I'd like to get rid of that. So hopefully when we come out, I'll like the results.
So Mandy is a great candidate for this treatment because we can camouflage this nasal bump or hump here and also raise the nasal tip. Normal angles for a nasal tip would be 110 degrees, and so that means we treat anything below that, and Mandy's angle is less than 90 degrees, I would say. So a really good candidate. So the product we're using today is Volift from Juvederm, and this is a perfect consistency for this treatment.
How was that for you, Mandy?
It was fine.
Did you feel anything?
No, I didn't feel anything at all actually.
Already you can see the result. Let me just give it a massage. So Mandy, you'll see a difference now, but you'll see the full effect of this in about 3 weeks' time once it all settles and integrates into your own tissue. So are you ready to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wow. That's brilliant. Wow. Just a tiny little bit of a change, but it's made such a difference.
You can see the tip is really, really lifted without smiling, can't you?
And it's quite a subtle change, that's what I like as well. It's not too sort of in your face, so yeah, I love it. I wouldn't want it any more than that, I don't think. I think you've got it bang on in terms of the subtleness and what I asked for, so yeah, brilliant.
So on assessment, we've got a much, much more perfect angle. It's kind of more, just over 100, I would say. So because there was quite a dip in the nasal tip, it's hard to get this first time. It's more, you would have to come back for repeat treatment to get it the perfect angle, but it's much, much better, much, much better.
The treatment that I just had was brilliant. It was quick, it was painless, and the results I'm really happy with them. They're very subtle, which is what I asked for, but it's totally changed my side profile, and it's got rid of that hump, which was I didn't really like, so I'm really happy.
So the thing I'd say is we can improve this as well, but the first couple of treatments come every 6 months, and then you'll end up getting longevity out of it, and you'll need it done every 9 to 12 months after that. So it was great to see Mandy so happy with her treatment. If you would like to know more about this treatment or your specific needs in this treatment, please contact the clinic or book online. We'd love to see you.